Now to the 17th day of testimony in the Karen Reed trial. A state police scientist testified that John O'Keefe's DNA was found on Reed's taillight and a broken cocktail glass. Investigative reporter Ted Daniel explains that day ended with an important ruling.
Right after the jury was sent home for the weekend, Judge Cannone announced that she's not going to penalize the prosecution for entering new evidence. The defense had called it an ambush.
Guys, we're coming close to the end. There'll be no comment from Karen today.
Karen Reed wished reporters a good weekend, but that was it after a ruling that did not go in her favor.
The defendant has not persuaded me of undue surprise or unfair prejudice by this information.
A prosecution expert shifted the timing of a trigger event that was recorded by Reed's Lexus. The data is expected to be compared to movements on John O'Keefe's iPhone.
There is no changes in the timeline. He keeps trying to portray this as something has changed. Because their expert made an improper conclusion is not our fault.
The DNA profile was interpreted as a mixture of 3 contributors.
A state police scientist testified that DNA from John O'Keefe and 2 other individuals were found on Reed's taillight and a broken cocktail glass located at the crime scene.
Once you enter the room, it's probably a good idea to just listen.
And Judge Cannone had a new message for the jury.
Don't talk, don't make any facial expressions, no muttering under your breath, no audible noises, because people need to hear what's going on.
We don't know what prompted those remarks to the jury. I've only seen one juror visibly react to testimony during the times that I've been in the courtroom, but that's it. Testimony is going to resume on Monday. Reporting in Dedham, I'm Ted Daniel for your local station, Boston 25 News.